What's up, YouTube? About a year ago, I did a video, a little over a year ago, I did a video on the RCBS Swager die set. And I want to do a follow-up video on that tonight. And with the Swager die set, this is what you get. You get the die body, which is, this right here. Then you get two of these rods. One is for 5.56 and the other is for 5.7, 5.62. And then you get a nipple, which this is for 5.56. And then you get another one for 30 caliber. And you get this extractor right here. And the nipple, sorry about that, the nipple goes in there like so. And this right here actually does the swaging, that little nipple right there sticking up. But I'm going to show you something new tonight. I don't know if it's on YouTube or not, but I had a guy message me or left a comment on YouTube about a lot of people said that they like the idea, but they noticed that I was smacking the handle hard, and they're like, I like the idea of that until I seen how hard you have to hit it to get your brass out. And what I'm talking about is this right here. Okay. A lot of play in that. This right here is what they're talking about. In order to get your brass out, you'd come up and swage it, you'd come down, and you'd have to hit it hard to dislodge the brass. I'm going to show you a trick tonight. Had a guy leave a comment explaining how to cure that problem. Also had a guy left a comment about where to go to this website. You can purchase something specifically made for the RCBS die, make the experience better. I'll annotate both of those names in the website for you. But anyway, right now I had to find brass that was unswaged because I have a lot of 223 brass and a lot of it is swaged. So put it in our universal RCBS universal decapping pin. Knock those primers out. And my primer's going to fall on the floor because I don't have the priming arm. It catches it and throws it in a hole, but anyway, it'll be alright. If that's the least I got to worry about on this floor is primers, then we're doing good. Alright. So, we'll just, that one was already deprimed. I'm like, wow, what's wrong with that one? And a note on this, if you have a Lee, this is a turret press, and I'm going to say it's for any Lee. If you got single stage Lee or any Lee primer, I'm sorry, press, there's a little wire right here that we got to take off, and what that's for, that's to capture your shell plate. See, it snaps in there. That's to capture that, and it came out. See, that captures that and tightens it down. But to get that to work, right, you have to you have to take that out. And it's not that big of a deal. So I'll show you the traditional way, how you do it without the modification. And you just put your nipple in there, extractor there, get your brass. That one needs swaged. This is military brass only, guys, that you have to swage. The only thing different. Oh, wow. Alright, give me a second. I gotta tighten that down. Anyway, just fit this up in there. And when it squeezes up in there like so, it just flares that crimp out. Now, usually you have to hit that pretty hard to get that off of there. I got a video. I'll put it in the description. Just watch it. So we'll do one more. Just see if it does it. Alright, now I'm going to show you the modification. You'll have to watch my other video. I don't have that much brass tonight, so go through it. I'll just watch my other video. But you got to take this, you got to take that piece out there, because if you don't, it will rub on your on this. What this is a 3/8. I'm sorry, it's a 3/4 inch copper coupling for plumbing. You can go to any home improvement store and get it. Slides right over there like that. We just dropped it in there like so. Okay. Put your shell nipple in there. Put that in there. And this makes it so much easier to swage. I mean, it just comes right out. When the other video I was really laying and stuff was falling off the desk and everything else. See? Real easy. But on that website there's a guy that actually makes a piece that is kind of looks like this. It's made out of aluminum. Now it says this might be made out of steel. I'm not sure. I guess I could put a magnet to it, but I'd address this. It's not really important to get off the subject here. But anyway, they machined this out, and they got one where they remade this and it's just longer, and it's like $20, and then they made another one that's, I think they called it a coupling, and it is $15. So you can go $15 or $20, just according on, or you can do what Widowmaker did here. This was $1.19 at Lowe's or Home Depot, and that's all you gotta do. These die sets are inexpensive. They're only about between $30 and $35. I think I gave this. I've had it for a few years. It may have went up some, but for the price, it's well worth it, because if you get the other type of swagers from like Dillon or CBS makes one, Dillon is primarily the leader in that, I guess, as far as the swaging tool, because I know a lot of people have bought this. You're looking at $100 plus, so you can knock them out pretty quick with this. But it's just as simple as that. So I really appreciate the guy's input that he told me about using a coupling, quarter-inch coupling. One guy told me to turn this a quarter of a turn off, and I don't think that's going to matter, because the instructions basically say, and that was the instructions basically say, I think these are already swaged out. The instructions basically say that it does not matter the depth that you set this at. See, that has nothing to do with it. It's all in this right here. It's all in the extracting mechanism. We'll just do it like this. Do it how it originally came. I backed it off a quarter of a turn, and I'm going to say that's not going to matter. And it feels like these have already been done, so they're going to come out easier than what they would if you're really swaging them. Some of those have been swaged. See, these have been swaged before. So anyway, guys, see, it don't matter. That has nothing to do with it. So I just thought that I would upload a video and let y'all know out there, if anybody's got those, this is all you have to buy. And if you have a lead set up, you got to take out the wire that's for your shell holder. Guys, this is Widow out, and I'll see you in the next one.